My name is Jordan. I'm a trailer mechanic with ATS, and I've been with them since March 2022.
My name is Matt. I've been with ATS since 2019. I am a trailer mechanic.
Hi, I'm Tyler. I'm a diesel mechanic for Anderson Trucking Service. I've been with the company since June of 2019.
I'm Zach. I'm a diesel mechanic for Anderson Trucking. I've been with Anderson Trucking since April of 2018.
And this is my journey.
So prior to ATS, I was working for a furniture company. I was a lead at their warehouse, so I was in charge of shipping, receiving, just about everything you could think of, assembly. It was a good place, a lot of work with my hands, but I didn't see it as a career, not a lot of upward movement. And how I came to ATS was actually through a job recruiter. He's worked specifically with veterans. And one of the nice things I learned about Anderson Trucking is that they're very supportive of military. It was a good thing to see coming on board.
Prior to ATS, I was an auto mechanic. Didn't have any experience in trailers, didn't have any experience in the big trucks, nothing like that. But other than that, that's really all I did.
So my previous experience before Anderson Trucking Service, I was a student at Alexandria Tech. I originally was going to go for diesel, but I was going to kind of more focus on construction equipment. And then once I got there, I became a work study. And I worked at the truck shop there at school. And I kind of realized that, the trucking industry is the way I want to go. And so we had job fairs, and I met Dan Asher, and I talked to him, and I was like, man, this sounds awesome. I gotta go here.
Well, prior to ATS, I actually did a lot of construction, roofing, framing. Before that, I was in the military. So what brought me to ATS, I have family that works here. I've heard all very good things about the company as a whole, and they were willing to give me an opportunity to learn a new trade, and I just saw it fit.
So what I do on a day-to-day basis is just make sure that trucks are safe for the driver to operate as well as safe to be on the road, and make sure that the driver also has a comfortable place to spend their downtime when they're not driving.
We'll bring a trailer in that needs inspection or that's due for a PM or needed repairs specifically that come through the safety lane. We'll go ahead and we'll do an inspection, and the supervisors fill out the tasks and we carry them out.
Then go through and repair all of the different things that need to be fixed, whether it be welding, hydraulics, tires, brakes, really anything. Anything you find on it, you fix it.
When you get a truck in and you can actually work with your hands and you get just rolling with it, everything just starts to flow almost. And you kind of get in this rhythm and you start going, and next thing you know, you're knocking out jobs left and right.
What I enjoy most, besides the instant gratification of being able to fix something and see the turnout of your own work, the learning process of the things that are out of the norm. So sometimes you get repairs that aren't necessarily taught to you, or you'll get problems on a trailer that arise as you go, and it prompts you to be able to learn more and to gain more experience.
It's a really accomplishing feeling getting a truck in with, let's say you have 12 hours on the truck and you leave at your 9-hour shift and you have 2 left. You came in, you worked your butt off, you pushed yourself, you put out a solid product for what you could get out.
What keeps me motivated at ATS is the atmosphere. Everyone here is awesome to work with. Never had an issue with anybody, and it's the work. I like doing the work.
Is getting to be active. It's not just parts changing on bolt the new thing back on. It's troubleshooting, problem solving. I'm a real puzzle guy. And there's just such a wide variety of repairs to be done. Every day is a little different. Some days are very different. Yeah, just the variety of work, and because technology, engineering is always improving, there's always new things to learn. There's always something to be taught.
The teamwork in the shop is fantastic. Everybody helps one another. If you have a question, ask. Someone will help you. doesn't bother anybody. Whether it be a truck guy, trailer guy, management, they'll be there in an instant to help you out. I've had numerous occasions. I need help. Can someone help me? Yeah, we'll be right there. As soon as we're done, we'll be there.
If you don't know something, you walk up to another tech to ask them for help, they jump on it. They're ready to go. Also, our trainers are very good. You're in the middle of repair, you're just trucking away. They step aside, they look up that wiring diagram you need, they look up that torque spec you need. And if they can't find it, someone else always can. Everyone's always usually willing to help. Our parts team too, if you send in a parts request, they don't know what you're talking about, they're gonna walk out there and ask you. They're gonna bring you your parts real quick.
So as I've ran into challenges, whether it's on a learning curve or just a challenge that's unavoidable, I usually just go to my chain of command in the support team that I have. So whether it be the person that trained me or my supervisor or my coworkers around me, everybody's always willing to help. A lot of people who've been here longer than myself are willing to help and share their experience. And between all of those things, there's usually a solution. So it's just a matter of being able to ask.